Welcome back, creators! We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated sanders. Whether you're sanding old paint off furniture, smoothing down a deck in preparation for a fresh coat of stain, or preparing kitchen cabinets for painting, a sander makes the admittedly arduous task of sanding easier, smoother, and more efficient than just scraping away with a piece of sandpaper. If you're going to get your hands dirty with some good old-fashioned DIY activity, you'll want the machines with the most bang for your buck in the market. In this video, we'll share with you our top selection of sanders that'll certainly be useful in your workshop. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the sanders that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first sander in our list is the Bosch Palm Sander. Sanding is dusty work, but with the Bosch Palm Sander, you won't have as much to contend with once the job is done. The small but powerful random orbital sander is stunningly well made and offers great performance with its 9x5 by 6 inch size. It's a jack-of-all-trades machine because it's so versatile and can make a high-quality swirl-free finish with ease. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Bosch Palm Sander a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: smooth finish. It has a pad dampening system that makes it easier to get rid of swirl marks on both flat and curved surfaces. Soft grip. You can comfortably use the machine as it features a soft grip top and body with a low vibration operation. Variable speed control. The powerful 2.5 ampere motor allows carpenters to complete their tasks quickly. Easy disc attachment. Through its unique signature hook and loop disc attachment system, sanding pads stick to the hand sander very easily like Velcro. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it's a bit heavy for one-handed work. The second sander on our list is the BLACK+DECKER Orbital Sander. Sometimes you just need a sander to do a small job, such as a furniture makeover or to get into tight spaces. And for those times, the BLACK+DECKER Orbital Sander is the power tool you need. At 5x5 by 11 inches, this tool is a little more compact than most others, making it well suited to tackling corners and edges or any quick sanding tasks. Its rubberized handle and easy-to-maneuver design ensure a comfortable grip and less muscle fatigue. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the BLACK+DECKER Orbital Sander a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: dust collection. It comes with a detachable dust bag to help you keep your work surface visible and clear of debris. Powerful performance. At 12,000 oscillations per minute, the Orbital Sander quickly clears away materials like paint, stain, and varnish. Hook and loop system. This feature greatly helps with convenient sandpaper changing. 20 volts maximum lithium-ion battery. This holds a charge for up to 18 months, providing you with long-lasting usage. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, its battery life is too short. The third sander in our list is the BLACK+DECKER Detail Sander. BLACK+DECKER's Detail Sander is a fantastic example of what a detail sander should be like. Lightweight and agile, its small size enables it to fit into even the most confined of locations, measuring 10.25 by 4.63 by 5.44 inches in total. It also has an amazing finger attachment that elevates it above the rest of the pack, and it's ridiculously cheap. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the BLACK+DECKER Detail Sander a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: powerful motor. It features a 1.2 ampere motor that supplies 16,000 orbits per minute for fast and thorough material removal. Detail finger attachment. It has an interchangeable attachment that allows access and precision to hard-to-reach spots. 3 precision grips. This adds versatility and control options for ease of use in many applications. Dust collection canister. It offers a high-performance system with microfiltration that keeps your work surface clean with less sawdust and debris. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it comes with a cord, and even though it has no limit on how long it can run, it might be hard to move around and be inconvenient. The fourth sander in our list is the DEWALT Orbital Sander. This tool is a sensible addition if you're already invested in the cordless system. The DEWALT Orbital Sander is a handy cordless tool that lets you sand without the trouble of a power line. It's nice, durable machine with vibrant colors and rubberized surfaces that run smoothly. Size-wise, it measures 8.8 by 5.7 by 6.3 inches and weighs 3.13 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the DEWALT Orbital Sander a 5-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: variable speed control. You can adjust the speed from 8,000 to 12,000 oscillations per minute to match the speed to the workplace. Hook and loop system. The machine has a replaceable 8-hole hook and loop sanding pad for quick, easy paper changing. Texturized rubber grip. The texturized rubber overmold grip offers a comfortable grip during tiring heavy sanding. Ergonomic design. Its low profile height allows the user to get close to the work surface for precise sanding. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it's a bit heavy. The fifth sander in our list is the GALAX Pro Orbital Sander. This 3.92-pound sander comes with a 125mm diameter sanding pad, which allows the user to swiftly sand even huge areas in difficult materials. Additionally, it has an ergonomic handle with a soft rubberized grip that's molded to your hand for the best possible fit and control. It also has switches that are dust sealed to keep them clean, and the lock-on button is easy to reach for a more comfortable experience, even with continued use. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the GALAX Pro Orbital Sander a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Dust collection system. The dust extraction system and collection bag prevents clouds of dust obstructing your view and make the cleanup operation a lot less arduous. 280 watts powerful fine Cooper motor. The powerful motor provides up to 30,000 rotations per minute, delivering strong power to the sanding disc. Velcro-type fastening system. The Velcro-like fastening system makes it easier than ever to change the sanding paper. It also makes it more secure and more stable. 6 various speeds. To suit your project, you can adjust the speed between 6,000 to 13,000 rotations per minute. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the sander may wobble. The sixth sander in our list is the CRAFTSMAN Orbit Sander. CRAFTSMAN's 10.13 by 5.5 by 5.75 inch sander is easy to use and produces a smooth, even sanding finish. It also seems to be virtually comparable to a DEWALT sander when disassembled and analyzed on the surface. It's an eye-catching piece with a crimson body, a round form, and sturdy construction. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the CRAFTSMAN Orbit Sander a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Dust bag. The dust bag is very good at collecting debris and specks of dust so that you can work in a cleaner environment. Reliable motor. The 3.0 ampere and 12,000 oscillations per minute of the Orbital Sander give you the power to complete tasks easily. Highly durable. The dust-sealed switch of the electric sander provides added durability. Ergonomic design. The low-profile design of the power sander is made for added control and reduced vibration. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it requires to be plugged in while in use. The seventh sander in our list is the WEN Palm Sander. With the added efficiency of 13,500 oscillations per minute worth of vibrational power, the 1 ampere motor sands away at abrasive surfaces, while the vacuum adapter allows for easy attachment to dust collection devices. Plus, the 2.5-pound lightweight design ensures that your hands never get too tired. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the WEN Palm Sander a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Precision sanding. The sanding pad features an angled tip to reach tight corners and perform precision work. Ergonomic grip. The specially designed grip contours perfectly to fit in the palm of your hand, while the ribbed rubber backing prevents slippage. The hook and loop base pad allows for simple sandpaper removal and installation, making for quick changes between grids. Dust collection port. The center-mounted dust board makes cleanup easier and controls the flow of sawdust while the machine is running. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the sander is surprisingly loud for its small size. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated sanders, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next sander roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.